Upgrade your home's functionality and style with an Egress window installation from the Windows Preferred, the perfect way to increase your home's value and safety. Our team of experts seamlessly installs Egress windows directly to your basement, allowing for a safer and more enjoyable living space. With the expertise and knowledge of the Windows Preferred team, you can trust that your Egress window installation will be done right the first time. Not only will an Egress window increase the value on your home, but it will also provide a safer escape route in case of an emergency. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your home will be safer for you and your loved ones. Don't wait any longer. Contact the Windows Preferred today to schedule your Egress window installation. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that your new Egress window meets all the safety standards and fits your home's design. And we back our work with a satisfaction guarantee, so you can trust that the job will be done right. Take advantage of this opportunity to transform your home. Call us now or visit our website to schedule your free consultation today.